Peace be upon you guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to make this normal AI, the simple AI. When the AI is going to fall down, he will go back, and then if he collide with this wall, he will go back. So you can see here, if there's flaw down on here, he detect it and then he will go down. So this is just RayCast2D here. The first RayCast2D is gonna detect if there's flaw on the down, and then the second RayCast2D is gonna detect the wall here. And then on the bot script here, what we just got here is simple thing, the motion and then the speed. I think move right, we don't want it. And then on the function ID, we can get add exception for the bot if the bot is collide with player, so we don't want the bot to move back. So on the physics process delta, I just want to add the gravity here on the motion Y, and then on the motion X, the speed, he will move. And then if the RayCast2D, this is not RayCast2D is colliding, so we don't want this colliding. If it's not colliding anything like this, so we want to go back, move back, and then change the speed. So same goes if the second RayCast2D is colliding with the ball. And then let's start, and then create a new kinematic body 2D. I'm gonna change the name into the bot. So on the bot, I'm gonna set sprite here, and then drag this icon here. And then on the bot, I'm gonna add new node name collision shape 2D on here. So on the shape, I will just use the rectangle shape and then straight shape. Remember this rectangle shape. And then on the bot, I want to add RayCast here, RayCast2D. So we got here. I'm gonna set the transform to about this, and then on the bot, I'm gonna click and then lock it so I can move this thing without making like this. So on the bot, just lock. And then this is the RayCast for, I think I'm gonna make the name to RayCast down. So we want to detect if there's something on the down. So on the RayCast down, I'm gonna set the cast to be longer, so he can detect the flaw on the down here. And then on the bot, I'm gonna add new node here on the RayCast2D. I'm gonna name this RayCast wall. So we want to detect the wall. This is the RayCast. On the transform, I just wanna make it on here, and then cast to make it smaller. So this is just, I think on the wall, I want to make it near the player. So this is for the wall, this is for the down floor. So on the bot script, I'm gonna add new script thing. Okay, I think variable motion equal to vector 2, because we want to use vector 2 for our x and y for our movement. And on the function physics process delta, what we want here is motion.y, means the vertical motion. You want to add a gravity plus equal at 9.8, so this is just gravity. And then motion.x equal to speed. I want to make a new variable here, variable speed equal to, I think that's 100. and then I will save it for later. If RayCast, change speed, and then on the down is just move and slide, motion, vector 2, 0, -1. This is normal floor, normal. So it is just fall down. So on here, if the RayCast down doesn't detect anything on the down, we want to move back. So if $sign RayCast down, $sign, because this RayCast down is the child of this board node, dot is colliding, underscore colliding. We want to make not colliding, so I just wanna this symbol here. So if there's nothing on the down floor, so we want to speed equal to negative speed. We want to change the speed to the left, and then scale.x equal to negative scale.x. So we want the player to facing to the left. So you need to remember that is enabled. So I press F5, and then it works perfectly like that. And then for the wall, or the RayCast for the wall dot is colliding, means it's colliding the wall. So we want to change the direction here, and then move down, and then move back, and then move back. If you want to debug process, we can print go back, so we can see the player is going back for what thing. Let's go back. And then for the last, I'm gonna remind you that this tile map here, you need to be careful about this. On the tile, we need the collision shape to, I think, better, more larger than the sprite. So this thing RayCast will not detect any not collide here if there's gap here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.